Genkiyaki Riverside is home to fusion cuisine and the incredibly spicy Death Taco Challenge. They led us back into the kitchen to show the prep process for their tortillas, steak, and chicken. Go ahead and check it out, there's a lot of detail there. The Ninja and Death sauces are a secret recipe, so we have no idea what they're made of, but they're super hot. Maybe 1,000,000 Scovilles. It's like eating a ghost pepper. They don't call it the Death Taco for nothing. You have to sign a full legal waiver just to eat one. Signs all over the restaurant warn you how crazy hot the challenge is. But if you eat 3 of them, your picture will go up on the Wall of Fame. Were we up to the task? With no fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, tonight we dine in hell. There's no voiceover and no speed-ups for this one. You were going to see it in nearly uncut form.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Eat your tacos, no big deal. How do you open this thing? Where does it end?
Oh, Raina put it down quick. Whoa!
Oh, this is gonna be bad.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh man, it's gonna be bad.
Oh, fuck.
Oh no, it's big. So fuck it.
Come on, Nando, quicker.
I just want to take out my chocolate milk. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, Nando. Get it down, buddy.
Harder than that, baby. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
No, there's no way.
You alright?
There's no way. I cannot do this.
It's not worth it.
Oh, man, you've only got one down, man.
Pick up.
Oh, you got the spice hiccup?
Fuck it, no.
No, tapping that one. I bet. You like two, almost?
Oh, fuck all this.
Alright, here's the 2 champs right here going at it. Josh, you are halfway done. Glasses are off. You mean business.
Oh, I'm thinking about the endings of Bambi. Ow! That would hurt so much.
Nando doesn't know what to do with his life. Oh, spicy hiccups.
Yeah.
Josh, you got the shakes going on, you alright?
Yep.
Alright. You're almost there.
My throat hurts so bad. Another milk.
Violent hiccups right now. It's like the only thing that makes it semi-seasonal. Oh god. Boys. I think that was thank you.
That's a lot worse than I thought it was going to be. A lot fucking worse.
What is that, halfway, Josh?
Almost.
Almost. Is this one right here to tie? Finishing the second blow? No. Is it like right here? That's the worst part.
Yeah, it just stays there.
That hit so fast, too.
Yeah.
I thought it would take like 2 minutes to hit. It hit like right away.
Hottest thing you guys have ever eaten?
It's up there.
It's up there? Nando? No, not the hottest thing you've ever eaten.
It's not the hottest, but it burns my throat the worst.
Okay. That's that extract right there, definitely.
You were right, that one was enough.
I do not know why you wanted to eat chips.
It was a very bad idea. How are they doing down there? Just
Josh is
taking
powering through. Now to slow
They're
down a
taking it
lot.
pretty good, man.
You alright?
No. That was stupid.
I'm trying to get the ice on my back of my throat.
Yeah, the throat's the worst part, yeah?
I was hoping when I was eating it that it would have a late response.
Torture. Absolute torture.
Nope. First bite went down. Instantly just
Oh, man.
There you go.
kicked in.
Guys are still going for it. Thanks for running file. Thanks for the follow.
I'm trying. Oh, now the 5 minutes. There's no way. There's no way.
I can't do it.
No? Alright.
Cabin.
Good show.
My milk. I started to calm down a little bit now. Your lips are red.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, no. I'm not going to be able to continue.
We lost.
Thank you. What are you gonna do? I'll take it.
Hi guys, welcome.
Can I get some? Are you guys done? Yeah. How much you get you? Do we get a cup? I don't know. 2? Really? Those things are ridiculous. 3? I had 3. Did you say 10 of those?
Yeah.
What the
Insane,
hell?
huh? Insane. How many did you get down, Daddy? 3?
Calming down. Where'd it go? Yes. Where's the spoon? Just don't touch your eyes anymore. Thanks. Is that ice cream? How you doing?
Trying to get better.
What are you doing, Barbara? It's like a little wave. Oh shit. It's all in the shape now.
Yeah.
I can't.
Take that back now. Full on sobbing, ugly crying. Oh, you better get this. It's just the most miserable pain. Like from your mouth down to your stomach. Had to bring it up for relief. Huh? You're like delirious but crying. Full on mental patient. That's extract pain.
That's because she's getting that capsaicin high right now. She's starting to float a little bit.
I got an napkin kitty. It's pretty funny. Oh, fucking extract pain. Oh, God.
Are you still going?
No.
Everybody talk
Everyone.
that noise. Oh, yeah. Bye.
There's no way.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Hurt so much. I think those were well made. They made that was so much worse than I understood. Yeah. Like, I thought I could just hold down the 3 and then deal with it. It was instantly painful.
It's fixing immediately.
Yeah. Got napkins? I was fine after 2. So one made sense for me because you could do 3. I don't think we have orange juice here to run a fire.
Orange juice? That helps?
Apparently.
Holding a gallon of milk, once carrying, he was just walking. Every store I walked into.
I wasn't trying to judge, I was like, whatever word brought him out.
Yeah, that was like the only thing. Just cold milk was like,
Oh god.
kind of calm. Best of luck, everyone. In your recoveries, I'll
need
shoot
it.
you some pictures.
Yeah.
Alright. Bye, guys.
Bye, Sean.
I think I'm okay now.
Yeah. Yeah.
My stomach hurts though.
Yeah, the butthole's not going to be awesome. What is this? Dairy beverage. Yeah, I'm maintaining now.
He needs an ice cream. He didn't get an ice cream.
Oh! Get up. Thank you.
Yeah, that's 2 doors to the left. Or both of them.
How you feeling, Nutter? Like hell. I thought you were going to get through it, but... I thought so too. You okay? It's still burning, but it's settled down. Yeah. It's a lot hotter than when I did it last time. You think they made it hotter than before? It's a hotter taco. I don't know what they did. I've never had a hot sauce hit me that. Even when I've eaten like just straight hot peppers, it didn't hit me that fast. Like, this was instant.
Now, we didn't break the house record, but the Nuff and I managed to take down 3 death tacos and take our place on the wall of flame. Check out Main Event Pong's and Raina's videos linked down in the description section to see their perspective of the challenge. And then hit like if you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video. So until we eat again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.